Naniniwala naman ng Bureau of Immigration na sa backdoor dumaan si Attorney Harry Roque para makapuslit palabas ng bansa. Namataan kasi siya sa Tawi-Tawi ilang araw bago lumapag sa United Arab Emirates noong nakaraang taon. Narito ang report ni Mean Los Baños.
Kumbinsido ang Bureau of Immigration na sa backdoor exit din dumaan si dating presidential spokesperson Harry Roque para makapuslit paalis ng Pilipinas papuntang abroad. Sa pagdinig ng Senate Subcommittee on Justice and Human Rights kanina, kinumpirma ng Immigration na may nakakita kay Roque sa Tawi-Tawi noong September 2, 2024. 2 araw bago siya dumating sa United Arab Emirates noong September 4.
Since Mr. Roque has no recorded departure in the BI's records, he likely took the same route as Alice Go in leaving the country by using a backdoor exit in Tawi-Tawi.
Madalas na entry at exit point ang Tawi-Tawi dahil sobrang lapit nito sa Malaysia. Kaya ito rin ang pininiwalaang dinaanan ni na dating Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Go nang tumakas sila papuntang Malaysia, Singapore hanggang Indonesia.
The escape of Guo could have been facilitated by a widely dispersed syndicate operating both domestically and abroad. These operations possibly involved a combination of bribery, corruption, forged documents, and covert networks.
Giit ng Bureau of Immigration, walang kasabwat sa mga tauhan nila nang tumakas sila Go.
So many people wish to hear that the Pogos paid an immigration officer in one of the air or seaports so that these bad people can escape our shores. But there is simply no proof or evidence to that effect.
Bukod sa pagpuslit nila Go at Roque, isa pang naungkat sa pagdinig ang pagtakas ng puganteng Koreano na si Na Ik-yun. March 4, nang tulungan siyang tumakas ng 3 BI personnel bago nahuli ulit sa Pampanga. Kanina, humarap siya online sa hearing at sinabing nagbayad siya ng 6 million pesos sa 2 Pinoy na nagngangalang Paul at Raul para tulungan siyang makatakas sa kulungan.
Paul said he was in a high position in the Bureau of Immigration in Intramuros, and Raul said he was a member of the Philippine National Police. Okay, this is getting more and more painful.
Sabi naman ng BI, hindi nila empleyado ang nasabing Paul. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, Mean Los Baños, News 5.